How to enable price alert in MEXC. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are looking for a way to enable price alert on MEXC, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open the MEXC application on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the home page logged in, go ahead and tap on the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen, and now select a currency pair or trading pair you want to set up an alert for. It'll then take you to this chart page from where you need to go to the upper right corner and tap the bell icon. In order to enable price alerts, you'll also need to enable notification. Tap the enable button to turn on notification for the app and make sure you get to this notification tab and tap on allow notification toggle menu. Now get back to the MEXC app and then click the bell icon at the top right once again. Here, you can go ahead and tap on add alert at the bottom. Now go ahead and get to the price tab and enter the price you want to be alerted on. Type in your target price. For example, I'm gonna enter this target price over here. Once doing so, under frequencies, select how often you want to be alerted. It can be chosen as one time or repeat. Just make sure to choose one of the options and finally click create alert at the bottom. Now you have successfully created a price alert. After setting up a price alert, your MEXC account will notify you automatically when the price hits your target. You can also turn off unwanted MEXC price alert by tapping the trash icon at the top right corner and selecting the price alert you want to delete if you don't want the price alert anymore. Now click the delete button at the bottom right and click confirm if you want to disable the price alert. So that is how you can easily enable or disable price alert on MEXC. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.